In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a Pinterest automation tool. Coming onto this particular website, it's a Pinterest generator tool. Okay, so this particular tool right here is going to simply help you build up your Pinterest. There are a lot of things you can do with this Pinterest automation tool. Right, so we have AI pin generator where you can put in your niche or keyword. This is multi-pin format where you can decide if you want to go for image pin, GIF pin, video pin, lots more. Okay, and coming down to this section is a keyword research tool, basically for Pinterest. Okay, this is where you can generate viral hashtag for your pin. This is SEO title and description, and this is pin alternate text generator. Select your niche right here. You can select your niche. Then when you select your niche, then it will recommend best time for you to make a post, then get more visibility. All right, and if you scroll down, you're going to see other tools which I'm going to simply show you how to build in this very video. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your hosting. All right, I'm going to simply drop a link in the video description where you can easily make your own purchase for your hosting. You can go with the premium plan, you can go with the business plan or cloud startup. Okay, but if you don't want to go for hosting, if you don't want to spend money for this, my own aim is for you to get this set up for yourself. All right, so if you have a blog already, this will be easier for you to achieve as well. Okay, if you don't have a blog website, my team can help you guys and develop your website. But if you want to go for the hosting, the link is going to be in the description. Head over to your dashboard. All right, when you come to your dashboard, click on this section that says add website. Okay, remember, if you purchase a hosting, then they're going to simply give you a domain. All right, come over to this section, click on create a new website, then click on this create button, and you're going to simply select create an empty HTML website. All right, I've made a couple of videos about that, but for the sake of those that want to use their blog, or that want my team to develop their blog and also use their blog to do this, because you're going to be building more tools on your blog website, so you won't end up buying different domains for all of these things. Okay, so if you want to have a lot of tools, I will recommend you go for a blog website so you can have a separate page for all your tools, which I've already done. If you come to tools, you're going to see we have the AI generator tool, Instagram tool, we have text to speech tool, we have YouTube metadata, compound interest calculator, and a lot more. Okay, and you can simply get it monetized. All right, head over to your WordPress. This is what you're going to see. Then on the WordPress, then click on these pages right here, then click on new page. Okay, you click on this new page. Alright, so this is where we're going to simply add our tool. So before we add this tool, there are things we need to do. Remember, we have to simply generate the code for this. All right, so we're going to be using an AI tool for this. Okay, when you head over to your DeepSeek, what you have to do is simply give it a prompt. Okay, this is the prompt I gave it. I gave it a prompt. I want you to build a Pinterest generator tool in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in modern dynamic design. The design background should be white, text should have red background, and the main heading text in the background should be white in bold for clarity, and body text should be black. Okay, so the reason why I gave it all of this description is because that is the theme color and brand that I use. Okay, and I'm going to drop this prompt on our Patreon page. So all you need to do is to simply go over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Patreon application, download the app, install it on your mobile phone, then register your account. If you're not able to access the app, or maybe it's not loading or it's telling you error, then make sure you download WinScribe. It is free. You can turn it on, then register your account on Patreon to access padded vibes, and register your account and join us in our Patreon community. Okay, so you can access all of these things. Okay, and I'm also going to simply drop this code as well on our Patreon page. Okay, so you can simply click on run HTML. You can see right here it is running already, and I added to give me a background change toggle. Okay, where you can change to dark background. You can see dark background, you can see light background. Okay, and you can see all of the details you see here. We're going to simply add that and build that on our website. Okay, so all you need to do is to pay close attention to this. When you paste the script and it generated this for you, go ahead and click on the copy button. Remember, we created a page. Go back to your page you created. This is the page here, and we're going to simply call it Pinterest 2. All right, then click on this button, click on custom HTML. All right, this is it here. When you click on that, then hit on this and paste the code. All right, go ahead and click on this publish button. All right, go ahead and publish it. All right, so after publishing it, go ahead and click on this preview button or view page. And you can see right here the tool is ready. Then let's check out if this tool is actually working. Let's first of all check the dark mode. The dark mode is working perfectly. You can see it's working perfectly. And let's click on the light mode. it out again. Then click on the for the Pinterest pin generator. Let's go to idea generator. Okay, you can see example. They gave us an example here. Okay, let's say I want to make a post about fitness. Let's add fitness here. Then click on generate idea. You can see this is a 10-minute home workouts ideas. This one is a full body dumbbell routine for beginners, and this is basically for people under this very niche, okay, which is fitness. Okay, so you can either copy this or you save it here on this very website. If you click on this save, it has been saved, and for you to know it has been saved, just scroll down here. You're gonna see where it says your saved item. All right, and you can copy as well, or you delete it. Okay, if you click on this, it has been deleted. All right, so let's go again to other part of the website. Let's go to this very section that says let's say keyword research. We want to make keyword research about, let's say, fitness again. Then click on this. You can see it's bringing out more stuff about fitness. All right, so this is basically how it works. Again, let's go with fitness to generate SEO title under this and description. Then click on this fitness, then click on generate SEO content. You can see right here it has already generated the title for fitness. Okay, effective home workout you can do without equipment, and this is the description. You can show right here. You can simply copy this, save it. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do with this particular tool, which are 100% free. Okay, so for you to get the best time to post, you have to first of all select a niche and click on recommendation. You can see best time to post is 8 to 10 a.m. in the morning. Best time to post in the evening is 6 to 8. Okay, this is basically how it works. You can see we have AI caption generator. See right here, it has already generated this stuff for us. Okay, after creating your tool is to monetize it. Okay, I'm gonna simply go to a dashboard, then make sure you install this plugin, which is ad inserter, which you can see here. So on our Asa account, I purposely created a separate account for these two websites. Okay, I created a separate account for it. If you have a blog website already, or if you don't have a blog website already, go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp, to get your website blog developed for you. And you can simply create a separate page for tools. Okay, tools drive traffic, especially when they are all free. All right, and click on native banner. Go ahead and get yourself a native banner. Then for the native banner, go ahead and copy it. When you copy that, go back to your website, go to ad inserter, look for the place where you've not added ads. All right, then you paste the ads here. Okay, when you paste the ads, then allow this to show on static page, search, and this. Forget about these 10 pages here. Okay, then select where you want it to display. It could be at the footer, it could be at the comments, and the rest. Okay, so I've already added enough ads. I just want to add few ads so that my audience can easily use the tool without getting obstructed. All right, so we're going to simply view this website in incognito mode to see how it looks like. Okay, so copy this, then go to incognito mode, then go to this, then paste the site here. This is the website here. You're going to see a lot of tools. Our tool section, we have AI generator, this and that. Okay, so if you click on this section right here, you're going to see Pinterest pin. Okay, but this Pinterest pin should also be here. All right, we're going to simply correct that. For you to correct that, just come back to your website, go to menu, which is appearance. Under appearance, then go to menu, then under menu, make sure you add the new tool which you just added, which is Pinterest pin. All right, so remember, Pinterest pin is the only one that is not here. Okay, we have add this one, Pinterest tool. Click on add, and it has been added, which is here. Okay, so click on delete one. I want to remove one, then I want to remove this one as well, then drag this to this very section. Okay, we want it to come to the first section. So after adding that, click on the save button. Okay, it has been added. Then let's click on this and check it out. Let's refresh this page. You can see they're out, but if you click on here, you're going to see it here. Pinterest 2. Let's click on Pinterest 2. You can see everything is now perfectly okay. All right, this is the tool here. So with this same tool, you can as well use it to build a mobile application with AdMob. All right, so if you want me to make a video on how you can build this to become a mobile application that is 100% fully functional for mobile phone, both Android and iOS, I want you to comment AdMob on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a part 2 of this very video where I'm going to simply build a Pinterest tool for mobile app users. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us in my Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.